From lust, grief and fear arise. To the lastless, no grief or fear. Dhammapad 215. From desire arises sorrow. From desire, fear arises. To one free of desire, there is no sorrow. For such a person, how can there be fear? From attachment, grief is born. From attachment, fear. One who is attachment free has no grief. How fear? Dhammapad 215. Kamoto jayate shoko. Kamoto jayate bhoyang. Kamoto vippamo tasya. Natti shoko kuta bhoyang. Dhammapad 215.